Welcome back. Now, in order to add an individual to your membership site, you are going to need to have a membership platform connected to your Thrivecart account. That means then that we're going to need to go to our settings area. When we get to the settings area, we're going to go View Integrations. Now, if you have a specific membership platform that you are already using, you will then be able to integrate it into your Thrivecart account. Thrivecart does direct integration with membership platforms such as Optimized Member, MemberPress, MemberMouse, Teachable, Wishlist Member. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to connect to a Wishlist Member installation. And we're going to click on this link that says Authorize with a Wishlist Member site. Now, every integration that you do with a different platform is going to operate in a different manner. Now, for this integration, Thrivecart requires that we enter an API key from the Wishlist Member installation that we're going to be connecting, and then the WordPress site URL. So we're going to do that now. We're going to go to our WordPress site where we have Wishlist Member installed, and we're going to get the API key. And it's this site where we have Wishlist Member installed. We're going to go to the advanced options within Wishlist Member, and we're going to click on API, and we're going to grab the API key. We're going to give this site a name within our platform so that we know which installation it is. We're going to place the URL here, and we're going to place the Wishlist API key that we just retrieved here in this box, and we're going to click Save this Wishlist site. When we have the information in, we'll add it and then save it. We will get a message saying that our connection is successful, and now we can use this Wishlist Member site inside of a membership connection. So we're now going to come back to the screen, and we're going to click on Wishlist. We're going to select the specific wishlist site we're going to use, and in this case we're going to select the one that we just installed. We're going to take the product from within our Wishlist Member installation, and again what we can do is we can have individuals sent to a specific page when they're added to our membership. Now, with Wishlist Member, what we can do is we can revoke access should the customer cancel or refund, and Thrivecart will talk to our membership site. And so in this particular fulfillment, what we've now done, instead of having the individual sent to Thrivecart Learn, we're having the individual sent to our membership platform. And again, what we need to do is if you want to connect a different membership platform to use, you'll need to make sure it's set up in the integrations. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.